up, seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video, and I have been trying to make a damn vlog for the past 2 weeks and it just never works out. Like every single time I try to do a vlog, is either I'm start and stop, or I'm start and then something happens and I can't continue. Something always just happens. But today make a try. So I am going on a date. Yes, I'm going on a date today. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. But before we go on this date, I have a couple things that I need to do. I am currently making an intro for somebody. I kind of want done that before I leave out, because now it is currently 12:16 p.m. and I have to be ready by 3. So you know, so I have to start get ready from 1:30, because I'm gonna have to do my hair, plus I'm actually going to do makeup this time. So there's that. Yeah, and then I guess I'll show you the outfit when I get on the date, because my room does not have the best lighting. I may not even know. Alright, no, I'm lying. I know what I'm gonna wear, but banana shoes. Like, I keep on forgetting, like when I'm shopping online, I need to shop for shoes. But the thing is, I like buy shoes online because I don't know the sizing. Like, I don't know the correct sizing, so I need to buy some. I need some slippers. Honestly, I need some slippers, because I wear my one slippers on my have for about 4 years now. Mind you, the slippers are very convenient and I still love it to death. It's not a Bridget's or a Rastaman slippers that I'm still on the roadside or whatever. It's just a simple, I don't even know what kind of material it is, but I just love the slippers. Like, you just slip it on and go. But that's more casual. I need like going out slippers. I don't have any. I have like one. I had another one, but it popped. No, it not pop, I lie. Well, piece it pop. And I tried fixing it and I messed it up. So why may I look over this one not here, so I'm not only I talk to? Yes, as I was saying, even on the slippers, where can I get some nice slippers? Like just some cute little flats that I can wear when I'm going out or whatever. Please, if you have a site or you have an Instagram store, whatever, just let me know down below. What else? I have an assignment due. Oh, the original due date was tomorrow, but it pushed back to next week. Yes. So next week I gotta do that. I'm basically finished, but you know me, due tomorrow. So I will do it on the day that is due. I'm currently trying to do this intro. I want to finish it by 1 o'clock. I highly doubt that's gonna happen, because I'm probably have to go up on the date, come back, then finish it. But I'm gonna try. And then I have another intro to finish by tonight. I'm telling them yesterday, say either done by tonight, and I'm gonna start it. What is wrong with me? Get it together, Shelby. Get it together. So honestly, to speed up the process, I might just put on the wig now. So I'm actually gonna comb out my hair, do my 4 little flat twists or whatever. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. So y'all watch me do that. Yes, I put on back the same headband wig, because I don't have my got to be glue to put on the straight one. Yeah, I'm not a glue put on that. And the bleach are the knots are still not bleached. So yeah, we're gonna fix up my ear and do that. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna put on some clothes. There we go. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair. I might do this standing up. I literally might do it just right here. Yeah, I just need a little comb and my other comb to part, and this is my ghetto water bottle. I just use spray my ear. I I look like freaking Jimmy Neutron. What the hell? Her room really want. This is what happens when I wear my bonnet. Cause it's like it can't go all the way down here, so it stops right here, and then it leaves this weird bent in my head back. So yeah. Don't be like me, guys. Fully saturate your hair before you attempt to comb it out. But you see me, I am not in the mood to do all of that. Alright, maybe I am, because that hurts. That's kind of hot still, nah girl. I'm a merry little Christmas, this is what we're looking like. I'm kinda bulging up and doing the most, but man, I make them smaller. I cannot be bothered. And furthermore, the wig is not a straight wig. I don't know the wig. It's not straight, so it'll be fine if, you know, I don't know what I'm trying to say right now, but because the hair is straight, it don't need to lay flat from my head. It's gonna have some body yaddy yaddy. Body yaddy 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 yaddy. Pretty fake, wait, pretty fake, pretty wait. Body. Anyways, yeah, hair's done. No, it's not. But I'm just going to wet it right now, make it dry, and then comb it out because I don't know. I don't know if I want the wet look or I want the big fluffy look. I don't know just yet. So yeah, I'm gonna wet that, put it to dry. In the meantime, I'm going to let my phone charge. Go and see if I can do an intro, and by the time 1:30 come, we'll start get ready. And I'll be back. So I just wet it in the bathroom a while ago. This is what it's looking like when it's wet. Pretty. Coolie in the hand. Hopefully it dries nicely. So we're gonna leave this right here. As usual, this is not an And I'm Shelby video. If you don't hear something like that in the background, we got set. You're a set. It is now, wow, it's 12:52. I have half an hour before I need to start getting ready. Then again, I think it takes so long enough, but I know I'm stay, so I'm gonna take a dump. Oh, I see my head back. Wow, that's cute. I'm gonna take a dump, and then I'm gonna come back. So I'm gonna go and put this in front of the fan, breeze out, and I'm gonna go do what I gotta do, and I'll be back. Get it from the back. Now rock, 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 rock. So I'm at my date location and this is my date. Hi! Cutie! Yes, people. Me, it's the makeup, it's the hair, it's everything for me. Like, I have not done makeup in how long? A good while. I'm not done makeup, you know. It's been either a couple weeks or a couple months, to be honest. From July. Yeah. Probably from July. Alright, but finally, after we take about 100 million picture.
Excuse me guys, just look for my lips where they want me to put mask on. Look how they eye.
Nice makeup, nice everything. We get the last bit of sun while I
You
can.
understand? Let me make a quick snap for the haters out there.
It's the skin for me. Oh my god. Whew. Wait, me have to take some snap and then come back. Okay guys, so outfit of the day. Hair from Best Lace Wigs. It's a headband wig, y'all know it already. Dress, this is from Shein. You know, y'all saw it in the haul already. It's the body yaddy for me.
Same.
Don't watch my slippers. It's not important. Okay, praise Jesus. Don't watch the bag either. That's about it.
Period.
Follow me. Follow me, hoes. Purr. I'm gonna try to vlogging something again. Guys, we are at the porch. If you didn't recognize the background by now, I'm here with these guys. And currently we're drinking Van Ronk Pink Moscato. I'm just glad I'm not driving. You know, it's a wonderful time to not be driving. Some girl vex because I'm have to drive go home.
Must be nice. Some girl must say because I'm a drive home because I'm drink.
Nothing wrong, my love. Just drive very slow, please and thank you. And don't crash the people them data. So yeah, I might post this video on December 1st to start my vlogmas, because I told myself I'm going to try and do vlogmas, or at least try and do like 12 days of Christmas, because I want to start back the vlogs, but my life not interesting. I have nothing to do. But may I try and make my life interesting. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but yeah, I don't know. And all my friends have man, so and all the time them available. Them always itch up on the man like Roland. Always. Can't stand these. Cannot stand. Your feet. Did you catch that shade? I hope you caught it. But me they are chat and me I go like me no same thing. Me I get wash off tonight, but you know it's okay. It's okay. I hope I don't get copyrighted because of this music that is playing in the background. So hear what? Me come back when we get some food. Yeah? Yeah. I want to talk about my food, but I gotta talk about this one first. This look nice too. It look like no one take it away. Oh my god. Alright, not bad. Shakira has the same thing. Famous fettuccine something chicken, and I have the same thing but without any chicken. So yum. You're not gonna leave me hanging? Sorry. You're gonna leave me hanging? Cheers. Guys, I'm home. I am back home. I am exhausted. When I tell you I am exhausted, I am exhausted. So the reason why I didn't film too much at the Porsche was because we were just really enjoying ourselves, and then with the other word make
There's a fish pole, reel it in, right? Word, okay. It's me and my friend. Come on. Right. Walk it in. Walk it out. Get out.
and all that stuff. So yeah, we were just kind of enjoying and living in the moment. And I don't always want to have cameras in people's faces. I think that's one reason why I didn't really continue doing vlogs, because sometimes you just don't want to have a camera out all the time. Like sometimes you just want to enjoy things without having the camera in your face the entire time. So yeah, that's basically what happened. Wow, it's the forehead for me. I think I put on a little bit too much contour today because I was very bronze. Yeah, I'm still in my clothes. I literally just got home, probably like 5 minutes ago. So what I'm going to do now is probably make some more TikToks and then wipe this makeup off, wash my face and do my skincare routine because yeah, me and the makeup, I haven't done makeup in months and I don't want to frig up my face and make it go back to square one. So I'm going to deep clean and then I got done the girl intro, the girl them intro, send it off to them. Oh, this will text me. I'm kind of annoyed right now. I'm just kind of very annoyed. I will be back when I'm a little bit more rejuvenated. Alright? Alright.